restless. This city is relentless. It wears me down and leaves me dry. I could use some water, somewhere that I can wander, where I can finally see the sky. All the noise and all the chaos, I only wanna hear the sound of the earth. I only wanna feel the ground underneath. No pavement, no concrete, just leaves in my heartbeat. I only wanna hear the sound of the earth. Buildings into mountains, streams instead of fountains. Take all the gray and turn it green. People like a sea, flowing through the street, passing over me, passing over me. All the noise and all the chaos, I only wanna hear the sound of the earth. I only wanna feel the ground underneath. No pavement, no concrete, just leaves in my heartbeat. I only wanna hear the sound of the earth. Wanna feel it, wanna feel it. I only wanna hear the sound of the earth. I only wanna feel the ground underneath. No pavement, no concrete, just leaves in my heartbeat. I only wanna hear the sound of the earth.
Here's an adventure, here's a change. It might take a minute, but you'll be a-okay. Here's a sky for the pie and everything is possible. Out of the box and off of the page. Hey, look in the mirror, is it calling your name? Have you ever seen something so wonderful? Yeah, it's your time. To the finish line, you've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours. Here's an invitation, let's take a step. It might be improv, but it's excellent. Take a breath and you'll see there's no better place to be. Out on a limb and taking the stage. Here's one for the masses, they'll be laughing for days. Have you ever heard something so wonderful? It's your time. To the finish line, you've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours. Yeah, it's your time. To the finish line, you've got what it takes. No foot on the brakes, 'cause the world
been feeling restless. This city is relentless. It wears me down and leaves me dry. I could use some water, somewhere that I can wander, where I